Hello students, welcome back to the maths class. In the first video children, we had learned all the important concept of algebraic expression. Now those concept I think you had gone through the video, you understood it very well, and let us now go further with the next exercise here 12.1. Okay. Question 1. Get the algebraic expression in the following cases using variables, constants and arithmetic operation. Now the statement forms are given to you and we have to form the algebraic expression out of those. Okay. The first one we have subtraction of z from y. From y means we have to take further y minus z. Next, 1/2 of the sum means addition of x and y. So x plus y and 1/2 of it, either you can put it divided by 2 or you can write like this also, or you can put it as 1/2 into x plus y. Any of the one is correct. Okay. The number the number z multiplied by itself. Okay, that means z into z, that is z is multiplied itself, that is z square. Then numbers x and y both squared and added. Squared means we have power, that is raised to 2. X square plus y square is the expression for the given statement over here. Let us go to question number 2. Identify the terms and their factors in the following expression and show the terms and factors by tree diagram. This is children tree diagram. Okay, so we have to first find the terms and then the factors if it has. The first expression given to us is x minus 3. Now how many terms do you have here? X and minus 3. You can see with the help of tree diagram, x and minus 3 I have pointed out here, but as they do not have any other factor, only they are single terms here, x and minus 3 as it is. Now second we have 1 plus x square. It has 3 terms, that are 1 x and x square. These are single terms here, so no need, it does not have any other factor except itself. So 1 and x as it is. But yes, x square has the factors, that is x raised to 2. That means x is multiplied twice. So x into x. You can see I have make a mark here, x into x. Third, y minus y cube. It has 2 terms, that is y and minus y cube. Okay, so you can see here y and minus y are the 2 terms, as y is single here itself only, so only y here, and minus y cube, that is 3 times to be multiplied minus y and minus y over here. Identify terms and factors in the expression given below. Okay, so the expression here are minus 4x plus 5. The 2 terms here are minus 4x and 5. Now we have to write the factors. What are the factors of minus 4 and x? That is minus 4 and x are the 2 factors. Here you know there is no need for you to represent in the tree diagram form. You can list out, if it is not asked, you can list out like this. Then 5. The factor of 5 is itself, that is 5. Second, minus 4x plus 5y. The 2 terms here are minus 4x and 5y. Okay, the 2 factors of here are minus 4 and x and 5 and y. These are the factors of the terms. Third, 5y plus 3y square. The 2 terms here are 5y and 3y square. The factors of 5y here, that is 5 and y, that is 5 into y. Similarly, 3y square, 3 into y multiplied 2 times, that means 3 into y and y, or you can write y comma y. Last number 4, xy plus 2x square y square. The two terms here are xy and plus 2x square y square. The terms. Now let us list their factors. Xy, the factors of xy is x and y, whereas 2 into x into x into y into y. That means 2x, x, y, y are the factors of the given term here. As square is there, that particular number should be multiplied twice by you all. Question number 3rd. Identify the numerical coefficient of the term other than constant. You don't have to consider constant numbers here, only the numerical coefficients to be taken here. The first we have here 5 minus 3t square. As told to us in the question, you are not going to take constant. So 5 we are not taking, though it is a number, we don't have to take constant here. So only the term we have here is minus 3t square. So minus 3t square here has the numerical coefficient, that is minus 3 over here. Similarly, second one, 1 plus t square plus t raised to 3 or t cube. You can speak both the thing, t raised to 3 or t cube. Okay, which are the three terms with the numerical coefficient, children? Here, as the constant we don't have to take t square and t cube has the numerical coefficient. Now you will ask, Miss, where is the number over here? As I told you, whenever you do not have any coefficient, always we take it as 1, and 1 is the number, right? So here the coefficient of t is 1, t square also 1 and t cube also 1. Okay, let us move to the next. X plus 2xy plus 3y. So here we have the three terms here with the numerical coefficient, that is x, 2xy and 3y. The coefficient of x, as I told you, there is no number here, we take it as 1. So 1, then 2xy, the coefficient here is 2, 3y, the coefficient here is 3. Next, 100m plus 1000n. The numbers, the terms that has numerical coefficient is 100m and 1000n. 100m and 1000n. And the coefficient here I have here is 100 and 1000. Next here, minus p square q square plus 7pq. So the terms with the numerical coefficient here are minus p square q square and 7pq. As there is no number here, the coefficient of minus p square q square is here minus 1. The sign goes with the number. And 7pq, the coefficient here is 7 over here. Okay. So please read the question and answer it accordingly. Question 4. Identify the terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. So only the terms with the x we have to pick out from the expression and give its coefficient. The first one here, y square x plus y. So this term has x in it. So the terms with x is y square x, and what is the coefficient of x? Y square. All the factors here, because it is not told to us the numerical coefficient, the remaining factors of that particular variable are its coefficient too. That means here y square and x are here are the factors of that particular term, and as we want the coefficient of x, y square is the coefficient of x. Similarly, 13y square minus 8yx. Here there is no x. So only we have the term here is minus 8yx. Now, what is the coefficient of x here? The remaining two factors, that is minus 8y is the coefficient of x over here. Then x plus y plus 2. Only x is here in one term. So x here is a term with here, and the coefficient, as there is no number, we take it as 1. The coefficient, the answer will be 1. Next, 5 plus z plus zx. So the term with x is only zx, and as there is no number, we take it as 1. So, sorry, 1 if you don't want. Okay, here z is there. Okay, so here the coefficient of x is nothing but z. You can see z over here. Then fifth one, 1 plus x plus xy. Here there are two terms that contains x, that is xy and x. So the coefficient of xy is y over here, and the coefficient of x, as there is no other factor, we take it as 1. The factor is 1. Question 5, classify into monomial, binomial and trinomial. Very easy children, just count the terms in the expression. If, okay, you can see here the first one 4y minus 7z, 1 and 2, that means it is a binomial. Y square, there is no operation and no other term added to it or subtracted to it, only 1, so it is monomial. Here you have x plus y minus xy, 1, 2 and 3, that means it is trinomial. Here 1, only 1, that means it is monomial. AB minus A minus B, that is 1, 2 and 3, it is a trinomial. And last 1 and 2, that is 5 minus 3, 3t, you have two terms, that means it is binomial. So very easy, just count the terms, accordingly you answer it. Now, state whether the given pair of terms is like or unlike term. For the like terms children, we should have the same variable and the exponent here. So first one, let us try 1 and 100, they both are numerical coefficient. Okay, there is no other variable, it is numbers only, constant numbers, so they are like terms here. Then minus 7x and 52x, though the coefficient are different, we don't have to look at the coefficient, only the variables here, both are having same, that means it is a like term. Then minus 29x and minus 29y. Children, don't look at the coefficient. Here you will say the coefficient is same, but coefficient is not to be considered here, only the variables, that is here x and y. That means they are not same, so it is unlike term. Next, 14xy and 42yx. Here the variables here are xy and here we have yx. Children, it is like term. The order of the variable doesn't matter, whether one is in front and another is at the back, but yes, the factors of x and y here, yx or xy, one and the same. Order you don't have to consider. Okay, the only just see the factors here or the variables. Now, identify the like terms in the following. Children, our so many terms are listed over here, and from there you have to pick out the like terms. Just try to match the variable and the exponents also. So here you can see, start with x minus xy square. You find another term that has xy square. Where is xy square? Here, 2xy square. So that is our first like term. Secondly, you have minus 4yx square. So minus 4yx square, and next you have here is 20x square y. As I told you children, the order doesn't matter. X square is there, x square is there, y is there, y is there. That means they are like term. Okay. Next, we have here 8x square. So 8x square, find another term with x square, minus 11 square, then minus 6x square. We have 3 here together. Okay, no worry, we have 3 like terms together. Then we have next is here 7y. Okay, here 7y and y here. Okay, so then next we have here is minus 100x and 3x, and next number 6 we have minus 11yx and 2xy as the like term. So after listing out all the like terms, children, do count the terms here and try to match your questions so that you don't miss out any of the term here. So with this children, we end this exercise here. Hope you understood this exercise, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.